Unwell. Ill, sick.
I cannot work anymore. I am unwell. He said he was feeling unwell and went home.
Fed up. Bored or unhappy, tired of something.
She felt tired and a bit fed up. I'm really fed up with waiting for him.
Stink. Very bad smell.
Fish always stink from the head down. Your armpit stinks. Clean it well.
Peckish. Slightly hungry.
I am feeling peckish, even though I had a large breakfast. She is feeling a bit peckish. Let's go eat.
Infirm. Physically or mentally weak due to old age.
He is infirm, and his movements are getting slower. He lives with his grandfather, who is infirm.
Hasty. Said or done too quickly.
His hasty decision was a mistake. He regretted his words the moment he had spoken.
Stuff. Things, objects, or materials.
There's some sticky stuff in your hair. My mom put all my stuff in the storeroom.
Nippy. Chilly weather.
It still seems a little nippy out there. Wear your coat and stay indoors. It's nippy today.
Alone. Without another person.
He is playing alone. He has no friends. I am feeling gloomy because I am alone now.
Expel. To force someone to leave a place.
He was expelled from his job. The principal expelled him from the school.
Solo. Single person.
I go camping solo once a month. He had just completed his final solo album.
Wounded. Injured.
She put a bandage around my wounded leg. The wounded animal roared out in pain.
Drowsy. Ready to fall asleep.
I feel drowsy after studying for 10 minutes. Don't drive if you feel drowsy. It's dangerous.
Nausea. Sickness in the stomach, feeling to vomit.
Many women experience feelings of nausea during pregnancy. I was overcome with a feeling of nausea.
Lid. A cover on a container.
He put the lid on the container. Can you close the lid of this jar tightly?
Bear. To tolerate or endure something.
He can't bear the pressure any longer. The donkey can't bear a heavy load. She is so rude, nobody can bear her.